Hello friends, NATA and JEE result. That's a question right now everyone is keep asking and we are getting many calls, messages. Along with your counseling's helpline which is started by Ignite India, we are keep helping the many students. Few doubts also at the same pattern which we have discussed in previous videos. You can be a part of Ignite family. Just go follow us on Instagram and write your message over there. We take all this question, we contact every students. Make sure you leave your number also and name and the city preferences so that we can invite you in our sessions also. And based on your questions, we are uploading the video series also soon. So I'll come back here about the NATA results, which is discuss about the NATA management. And based on that your result, I would like to wish you all the best, which is supposed to come today, but till the time it will not come, do not take it final call of it. We have seen in JEE exam result what happened, but on the sources this clearly says that it will come today, max by tomorrow. So we have confirmed and then we are giving you information, but it is not final information or any announcement. It is what we have information based on our sources. Again I'll repeat, that's what we are telling here on the platform. Reason is very simple. Many of the student is calling us and asking us, sir, tell me when is the result. So we try, we find out and we have informed you. So that is what, because the every call and messages we cannot reply, so on the common platform we are replying you. It may come today and maximum by tomorrow. That is what the plan is. Now moving forward to second thing, JEE result. That also supposed to come long back. Now the extra days are here. So if you would ask me, that is also about to come. The soon, anytime you will get to know about your JEE result paper 2. That is what we are discussing here about architecture entrance exam. Now the admission point of view, if you will see the all JEE exam which is and the NATA exam, so we looking for the architecture colleges admission. So we help a student to select the best colleges, and if you have a certain marks where you think you will not get the admission, so we are counseling and helping you in this also, so you will get the admission. That's we are giving you the insurity. Do not need to worry about it. Make sure you contact the team, so team will help you in this. The process I'll repeat for the new viewers and our viewers, though they haven't yet getting these things. If you have replied us before also, haven't mentioned your name, number and city preferences, make sure you go back and that message on Instagram. First, be a part of Ignite family. Thank you for making us more than 2,000 family members, and I would like you also join this family. And immediately after joining the family, you write your name, contact number, city name, and we will ensure you to give the best suggestion which is possible. Wait here also for the video content, because on YouTube also will upload pan India, then exam wise, then city wise, those video will upload soon. That also will come, and there will be a session in a group, and if required individual, that also will provide. If required in a certain we'll make sure that you will have a mentor to help you. But the questions should be authentic and genuine, rather than asking something which is the prediction based, because we cannot predict anything. We can tell you the authentic information and the possibilities. In fact, if you just have a cut-off marks, if you just have a minimum score, then also how you can crack, how you can get admission, for that you can contact, and we will help you in that way also, in based on your scenario, how to. For that, students, though they just have acquired some number in board and got a cut up in NATA, but you want admission in one of the the good college, you have to do one thing: contact me immediately personally, those students. My number is 9972046911 and my name is Krishna Nansingh. We will make sure to help you the best possible. Is signing off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to press the bell icon button and share with your friends, because they will also get help from it. Thank you everyone.